Hi everyone, Alex Kennedy here with REV Car Wash, and this week we're going to be partnering with our last week's product, the Swirl Out product, and use our Buff Magic. Let's get started. You'll first apply the Buff Magic to the microfiber towel, then apply to the affected areas. Make sure to have complete coverage over the area that you've chosen. Allow the product to haze for up to 2 to 3 minutes, then buff clean.
Thank you for joining us this week on Tips and Tricks. I'm Alex Kennedy. Make sure to follow REV Car Wash on all social media platforms. #REV Your Ride, and we'll see you next week.